In this video, I'm going to walk you through integrating a Figma prototype on your unmoderated usability test on UXArmy. Start by opening your Figma file. Go to the Prototype panel and choose Prototype Settings as No Device. Next, click Share and make sure the Figma file permissions are set to public. Then, click the Present button. Share Prototype and copy link. Now, you go to the UXArmy platform and click Unmoderated Usability Testing Tool. In the Create New Test section, you will see two options: Figma Prototype Testing without video recording. This option enables you to set up the test quickly. Simply paste your prototype URL here and create. But if you want to see the screen video recording and audio feedback from participants, choose the Full Usability Testing option. Choose the device type. Design prototypes or websites. And choose Prototypes. Now, you are in the Test Creation board. Write a name for your test. At the Prototype Navigation tab, choose Add New Prototype. Then, paste your Figma prototype link here and click Add Prototype. You've successfully imported your Figma prototype. You can now set success paths, start and end screen for your test. Thank you for watching. Visit UXArmy and create your test now.